So the parking brake's on the Twilight. Here are your jack points. Emergency jack points. Right here. I think that's pretty standard on most. The thing about these bottle jacks, they take time to get them ready. These are non-directional tires, but this car is a four-wheel drive vehicle. Recommended you do the rearward cross. The two front tires are going to crisscross on their path to the rear side of the vehicle. So the front left wheel is going to cross and will be placed on the rear right side of the vehicle. Front right tire, right passenger, is going to go on the rear left. And the two rear tires are just going to go directly straight up. So this rear right tire will go to the front right. And the left rear will go to the left front. 1 1/4 tight. Let's break these lug nuts. So we need the key because Trevor, that's what we call him, he came with a lug nut key. One per tire. Sometimes it's in your glove box. Other vehicles it's in the rearward side. That's what they look like. You just put them in your tire iron. Place it into the pattern so it seats properly. You'll feel it. And just break her. I'm not going to take the tire off yet. I'm just breaking it because it's easier to break them when they're on the ground as opposed to when it's jacked up. Dangerous when it's jacked up. Here we go. I said it's a 94 foot-pounds. The 19 mil is still on here from when I rotated the Civic Stars. 22. It's set. Set so when we need it. I know you're not supposed to leave the floor jack engaged like that, but I do have the jack stands in place just in case anything goes south. The reason why I don't like putting everything on jacks because my driveway is gradient. It's somewhat steep. I'm gonna say it's 12 degrees. So this guy is gonna go to the rear left. So take the fronts off first and place them where you're going to put them. So this front left wheel tire will go to the rear right. Rear right. It goes right. This rear right goes to the front right. Let's put that tire in. I'm grabbing one side of the tire so I could hand torque it. And I'm gonna go in the star pattern. go. One. Star pattern. You can see the star pattern. So I started here with this lug nut. 1, 2, 3, 4. Star pattern. It's one. Okay. There you go. I can lower this side. One tire left. That's why I put that wooden block. Give him a little extra lift. We'll see. There we go. It's enough. Hi. What time is it? Okay. I'm getting hungry anyways. Yeah, I just rotated them. And just changing the oil. Because you have to wait for it to drain, might as well change the tires, so. You know. Nice day. Thank you. Something rolling down the side. I don't like how that comes down so aggressive.